to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Then become a part of the innocent squad.
What's up, Innocent Squad? It's your girl, Little Star Nia, and I am back with another video in the same day. Like we doing that, y'all. I'm trying to have videos coming back to back, so this is the same day. If you guys are coming from the last video, which is right here, where I installed that scarf wig. I said, when I installed that scarf wig, and you guys seen that video, we have some more wigs to do. So we took that one off. We enjoyed it, took our pictures and all that. Now it's time to do the next wig because we got a lot of wigs and a lot of other things to review. So we just gonna get them done and keep them coming. So let's get into it, okay? So you guys, today we are reviewing for the hair company called CLIONE Hair on Amazon. And we have a very nice color today. And we shall see. But first, I opened the caps already because, you know, I brushed my hair off camera and put the cap on because I don't feel the need to do any braids. So they gave me some brown caps, obviously. Two, got one on. And now we shall see the wig. Green, you guys. We have green today. A very nice color. This is a very quick wig because it is a closure, so it don't take long to put on at all. It's very pretty. Oh my god, yes. Period. Let's get to put this thing on. So we took the net off, and we're gonna take this out the wig in the middle. And now let's see the clips inside. Okay. So I noticed that it's like pink in the inside, this part, because it usually be like black or beige or something like that. So we have two clips on the sides, the closure part right here in the middle, clip in the back, and two straps. So let's put it on now. And I'm also doing like a little remix thing challenge. So I'm like, let me put that wig on. Pull this back. It's too much on my clothes. Pull it. This is for sure, you guys. Let's try to make this look nice on my skin because I don't think it looks nice on my skin color. Oh. Ugh. Oh, I'm always dropping something. It's crazy. It probably will look better on lighter skin or darker. I don't even know. But let's cut the lace out. Cut off all the lace. Cut, 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 cut. Cut out all that lace out. Pull this up more. Like this. Let me stop. Nah, that's how y'all girls be walking around. Y'all be like, you like my hair? I'll be like, oh. So you guys, I want to make it look better. So I'm gonna like pull it behind my ears. Make it look. And pull a piece right here. So I cover my little black hair right there. Pull the hair out. Like that. That. Oh, what else can we do? Can we do a ponytail? No. I guess it could be used for like a Halloween wig too. If you want to be somebody with a green wig, you could like put this on. Cover it like that. So you guys, I just checked back and this is actually a Cosme party wig. So I guess what we got is what we got, period. So I said I'm doing a little challenge thing. I'm not gonna add like, well, I may add edges, I don't know. And when I'm done with that, I'm gonna come back to you guys because I may look a little bit better because right now I'm looking like Halloween. So let's come back. So you guys, what I'm doing is just cutting some edges in this wig because I can't just leave it plain. I'm gonna do some makeup and all of that mess. Just cut it in the wig, and you see like right here, you can see my black hair, so I'm just gonna pull some hair down like that. This is a toothbrush, but it's a hair toothbrush because it's just a hair toothbrush, that's all. It wasn't used on teeth or anything. It's brand new. Well, not brand new, but it was brand new before the gel got in there. So we got the edges cut and it's kind of looking better. So now let's go get dressed and do my makeup.
It's the vibe for me. It's the vibe for me. Do you see her out there bobbing freely? Stiff wear, woo, stiff.